Hello, Destiny.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Officer Law at the ISU Police Department.
Okay, what's up?
I need to speak to you about something that happened right outside the doors.
You can, come on.
Okay, come in here.
Yeah, come in here.
Okay.
Hold on, let me put a robe on. I ain't no
You said what?
Let me put a robe on. I ain't got no bra on.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, what's your name?
Well, I just want to know what happened.
So,
Positive contact.
I ordered some food, and the guy, first of all, he went all the way around. My dot is at Birch Hall, not Cypress, it's at Birch Hall.
Okay.
What starts as a simple fight is about to spiral completely out of control. Watch closely. Once officers step in, every decision made by the people involved can either calm the situation or make it dramatically worse. The real question is, who actually crossed the line first?
He sat in front of Birch Hall. He said, I'm here. I said, I texted him. I said, I set your location to where you're supposed to be at. I'm at Birch Hall, not Cypress. He said, why didn't you put Birch Hall in? I'm like, okay, cool. I go outside. I'm really just like this. I got my bra, no panties on, nothing. He tells me, you have to come get this food. I said, who the fuck are you talking to? You're not talking to me like that. So I go back inside. I get my ID and my robe, and I go inside. He said, yeah, you gotta come get this food. I'm gonna throw your shit on the ground. I said, are you okay? Why are you talking to me like that? So I threw some water in his car, and I got my shit.
You threw some water at his car?
Yes, I did.
And this guy, was he like a younger guy?
No,
I
literally have everything. I screenshot it, I reported him, I got everything. This is him. An old ass man. And I reported him.
How old do you think he was?
I don't know.
Like,
he had what is it when you sit in the handicap thing in his car? So he gotta be old.
Okay, like above 60 probably?
In his 50s, I don't know. I really
50.
don't know. But I seen the gray beard.
Okay, and he's an Uber driver?
Yeah, Uber Eats. That's why I don't use, this is my first time using Uber Eats.
Okay.
And that's why I don't use Uber Eats, because of this specific reason. Don't tell me you gonna throw my shit and tell me come get my food, because you're at the wrong building. You're at the wrong building. But I reported him though. You
reported him?
To Uber Eats.
So I'm going to read you something off this card, okay? Doesn't mean you're going to jail or getting arrested or anything like that. I just have to read this before I ask you any, like, direct questions. Okay? It's called your Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You understand those? Okay. Do you have any questions about those? No? Okay. So I had the male, he came into the police department.
I know.
Okay.
I seen his thing, yeah.
You saw his thing?
No, he never ended his Uber Eats thing. So I seen him at the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
He came into the police department.
Okay.
Notice how the crowd keeps getting involved instead of backing away. That's one of the biggest reasons scenes like this become chaotic. From a legal standpoint, interfering with officers during an active arrest can create an entirely new set of criminal charges.
He reported, pretty much essentially the same thing that you did, where...
I threw water at his car.
Well, I know it wasn't water.
It was water. I mean, that's not my cup. I thought it was water in the cup, but that wasn't my cup.
Okay.
I just grabbed the first thing and I just threw that
It
shit.
wasn't water. Okay. It smelled like it had alcohol in it.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't drink.
You don't drink?
No. I smoke, but I don't drink.
You smoke, but you don't drink.
I don't drink.
Okay.
I can't drink.
Okay. Well, it was something fruity and it smelled like it had a little bit of something in it. Whose cup was it? Is it beer?
It was a Subway cup in my room. It
Subway
was
cup?
from homecoming, like a long time ago. I had a party in my room.
Okay.
People come in my room and drinking and shit like that.
Kind of smelled like alcohol.
So it had to be alcohol in it then.
Okay.
It was a Subway cup. I know.
Okay. Yeah, he said there was this little kind of thing. He said he was joking about the.
No. Oh.
Well, it's just what he said. I'm not saying it's the truth, right?
He said you need to come get this shit out this car. And then come get your food out this car. I said, who are you talking to? You don't talk to me. Like, you mad because you went to the wrong building? See, he said, I need to come get this shit out this car. That's not you don't joke like that.
You guys had a little bit of a disagreement, and then you eventually went out to the car, grabbed the food, and then threw whatever the liquid was at him.
Because he called me a bitch too.
Okay. So you threw it.
Where I'm from, I don't tolerate disrespect.
You threw it kind of in the window.
Yeah.
Okay. So chances are it probably hit him.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Well, Destiny, there is some criminal charges for that.
How is that? It's what? It's like I don't.
So
okay, you gotta understand.
let me.
He that all that joking thing, that I don't play like that. When that's interpreted to that's the wrong thing. I interpret it as you tell me you're gonna throw my shit on the ground. And then when I asked him, I went up to the car, so you gonna throw my food on the ground? He said, give me your food so I can throw it on the ground. That's joking. That's joking.
Well, I don't know what was said. That I'm just saying what you said you did. There are criminal charges too. Okay. Okay, so go ahead, turn around, put your hands behind your back for me.
Let me call my cousin.
That's not a hold on.
No,
thing.
let me. I gotta
understand. It's not a hold on thing. If you resist, another charge will be added.
You keep on this phone.
Illinois 178.
I try not to get these bracelets caught up in the cuffs.
Here's where both sides start telling very different stories. The suspects insist they're innocent, while officers rely on witness statements and body cameras. In court, evidence, not emotions, will decide whose version of events actually holds up.
Cuffs.
You call her again.
We'll just wait here for a second.
Give me 1 second.
We're this is the phone call right now.
Do you have a driver's license or state ID?
I have that. I mean, it's in my friend. I can't get nothing.
Yeah, okay. That's okay. I'll get a couple of pieces of information from you.
How long is this thing?
Not very long.
Like how many hours?
Shouldn't be very long.
Okay. Before y'all do that, I do start a shift at Subway at 8 o'clock. Would you mind going up there and telling my coworker that I'm not coming in?
Cardinal Court Subway?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can do that for you. What was your last name?
Can y'all just go up there? Cause they don't answer.
I can go up
Yeah, they don't answer.
I'll be able to go up there. This is yours, right? So I'm gonna tell you.
Come in my room with me so I can put on some socks and brown panties.
It's not gonna
Can
be.
you come downstairs? They take you to jail right now. Can you come downstairs? They're taking you to jail. Because this Uber Eats dropped the water in his car because he disrespected
We're gonna
me.
start heading
And
out.
his criminal charges.
We're gonna take you.
Would you mind giving her my phone, please?
You don't want your phone?
No, I'm okay. I mean, if I'm coming right back, I mean, it don't matter. Yeah.
Well, you might have to call somebody once you get released.
Who can I call? I
Like
mean,
call for a ride or something like that.
okay.
So you're probably gonna need your phone, okay?
No, you could just leave it here. You could just leave my phone, honestly.
Okay.
Can you go inside and get my student ID so I can get back in the building? You can leave my phone wherever. It's okay.
We're gonna take it. Okay, so it will be with you. Don't know. Depends on the day.
No, it's okay.
Once we get to the car, I'll explain your charges, okay?
Okay. But he's in there. He should be in the back. Just go in the back.
Listen carefully. He keeps begging officers to watch the video immediately. If that footage backs up his claims, it could completely change the investigation. But in the middle of an active arrest, securing the scene always comes before reviewing evidence.
Go in the back. He should be in there. But I'm supposed to start at 8.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Is it a male that I'm supposed to be talking to?
Yeah, his name is Joe.
He should already be.
Well,
in
he's
there.
the only person back there.
She's going to jail.
Like,
Yeah.
I think the
Yeah, but she's gonna be let out.
McLean, you remember where they took
Yeah.
the McLean one?
104 West Front Street in Bloomington.
Can you tell she can come get me? Okay.
Okay.
104 West Front Street.
Yes, ma'am. And then just watch the parking curb so you don't fall. You don't know when I want. Are you gonna want a female come search her? Yeah. Can you call MPD, see if they have a female on shift for a custodial search? So we'll put you in the car just for now because I don't want you getting too cold out
Yeah, I
here.
did just got the shower.
Okay, so if you wanna
Do I
go
just
ahead and
get
just
in?
step in, yeah, just watch your head.
How do I?
In the parking lot in
Do I
front
get under
of
this
Birch
now?
Hall. It's gonna be the west entrance, Cardinal Court.
shit.
Yep, just like that. Yep. Okay. I'm not gonna buckle you in right now because there's gonna be a female coming over. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you your charges. Okay. I understand that, like, once I say them, you might disagree with them.
Okay.
Also, another thing, just real quick, everything in here is audio video recorded. Okay. I understand when I say them, you might not agree with them. Just let me get through them first. So the first charge is aggravated battery. Okay. whenever you disperse a liquid onto somebody, it's a battery. Because this is a public way, it's open to the public, it's an aggravating factor. Due to his age, it's an aggravated factor, and due to his job, it's also an aggravated factor, okay? So like an Uber driver, taxi driver, or anything.
This might be the most important moment in the entire incident. Officers are finally talking about checking the footage, but they're still focused on maintaining control. Could this video clear someone's name or expose an even bigger problem?
Driver or anything like that, that can be an aggravated factor, okay? Another is criminal damage to property. I understand that might not sound like very accurate to you right now, because of that liquid might damage the interior of his car. That's why that's being charged. Another one is disorderly conduct.
What's that?
Okay, that's when anybody is alarmed or disturbed by your actions.
Who was alarmed?
He said he was alarmed or disturbed. Okay. All right. So those are the 3 charges that you're going to be going to jail for today. It doesn't mean that you're convicted of those charges. It means I'm charging you with those. Okay.
No, I understand.
Okay. I just like to be transparent. That's all. Okay. So I'll shut this door for right now. It's going to take a second for the female to get here probably, and then she'll take you out and do a custodial search of you.
Okay. I'm just moving these places.
And then I'm going to shut it so I don't want to hit your elbow or anything.
Hold on, can you push this in? My rope.
Push one. Oh.
My
Oh, yeah. Try to get out of your way. Yep, there you go.
One night out ends with serious criminal charges. Assault, resisting arrest, obstruction, and battery on an officer carry real legal consequences. It's a powerful reminder that a few emotional decisions can change someone's life in a matter of minutes.